Welcome to the next session in the traceability and monitoring domain. In this video, we focus on a key monitoring activity in business analysis, managing changes to requirements. This module forms part of Module 6, Traceability and Monitoring, and it builds directly on the concepts covered in Module 6.3, where we examined how dependencies and relationships are established across requirements and solution components. A clear understanding of these relationships is essential before changes can be assessed and managed effectively. In this session, we will explore why requirements change, how change requests are identified and analyzed, and the role of the business analysis practitioner in supporting structured and informed change decisions. We will examine how traceability enables effective impact analysis by revealing the downstream effects of change on scope, cost, schedule, risk, and expected business value. We will also consider how change is managed across predictive, adaptive, and hybrid environments. While formal change control processes may differ, the underlying principles remain consistent, ensuring that changes are evaluated, approved at the appropriate level, and aligned with business objectives before being implemented. Understanding how to manage changes to requirements helps prevent uncontrolled scope growth, reduces rework, and protects the integrity of the solution. It ensures that evolving needs are addressed in a disciplined manner while maintaining alignment between stakeholder expectations, delivery constraints, and the intended business outcomes.
Requirements are rarely static. As projects progress, new insights emerge, regulations evolve, and stakeholder needs shift. That is why managing changes to requirements is one of the most critical responsibilities in business analysis. Without proper control, change can quickly lead to uncontrolled scope growth, budget overruns, and delivery delays. The process begins with recognizing the inputs to change management: approved requirements, defined business objectives, and formal change requests. From here, a structured set of steps ensures that changes are handled consistently. First, every change request must be captured in a systematic way, whether through a backlog item, a form, or a digital workflow. Next, the request is analyzed for its impact on scope, time, cost, quality, and most importantly, business value. Once this analysis is complete, the proposed change is escalated to the relevant decision maker. This could be a governance board in predictive projects or a product owner in adaptive settings. Only when approval is granted are repositories and traceability links updated, ensuring that every related requirement, design, or test case stays aligned. A variety of techniques support this process. Impact analysis helps assess the ripple effects of change across requirements, design, and testing. Backlog management is common in agile contexts where user stories may be reprioritized or rescoped. In more formal environments, change control tools and workflows ensure that approvals are logged and auditable. Regardless of the method, the output remains the same: recommended and approved changes recorded, communicated, and tracked through tools like the Requirement Traceability Matrix or a Product Backlog. To see this in practice, consider an example from manufacturing. A company is developing a new production line system, and a late-stage request arises to add barcode scanning for quality checks. This change could impact not only the software design, but also hardware procurement, training needs, and testing plans. By running an impact analysis, the business analyst uncovers that the added functionality would delay delivery by 2 weeks, but significantly improve compliance with regulatory standards. With this information, stakeholders can make an informed decision on whether to accept the change and adjust plans accordingly. Effective change management ensures that value-adding changes are incorporated while protecting the project from unnecessary disruption. It creates transparency, allows stakeholders to weigh trade-offs, and helps the team maintain control over evolving requirements. Having established how to manage change, we now turn to an equally important aspect: monitoring the performance of business analysis activities themselves so that we continuously improve the way requirements are defined and delivered.